Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy, y'all. It is freaking cold. It's about 29 degrees and I am heading to pick up my new glasses and do a little bit of Christmas shopping, mainly for my mother, and then get back home. So, yeah, it is windy. So my mission is also to read this weekend. I gotta read the count. I have to finish it before Christmas. Have to. It's just a must because I just want to get it. I don't want to get into the new year with that book. And so I picked it back up when I realized I still like it. Like, still interested. And so that's the goal, guys. So yeah. And it's the kind of cold where you just your nose running. Oh my god, it's just bitter. This is not my kind of weather at all. And I'm so glad that the jacket I have on is super warm. But yeah, I'm cold. So yeah, new glasses.
They do.
I got my new glasses.
I have to tell you, you look really.
I love them. They're so cute.
They are nice.
I love the color.
Yeah, that's what it is.
It's like the two-tone. It feels like it's three-tone
I've
actually.
never seen anything in
Yeah,
that.
it feels like a three-color going on here.
Yeah.
Like
It's
here,
a little bit light on the
and then it gets a
the
little
very
bit
top.
darker down here.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love the color and the shape. Like,
Shape.
yeah.
Yeah.
Excited.
I'm gonna leave everything in here. Tiffany gives you the pouch.
Yes. Okay.
Tiffany gives you also the cloth.
Yeah.
I'll leave the whole thing. Okay?
Yeah.
You want me
Cause
to
I'm
put this?
yes, because I'm
Yeah.
gonna wear this for the rest of the day, of course. New glasses. Thank you. Yeah. So guys, if you can't tell already, I love my glasses. I can't stop looking at them. I just love the faded two-tone, well, three tones. It's just so like really nice. And yeah, that was a good pick. Let me know what you think. You like my glasses? Nah, or you like the other one better? But I still it's the same prescription, so I'm gonna wear both. But it's nice to have options. Yeah. Guys, the food was delicious. I love Middle Eastern food, but guys, I just walked 3 blocks and I can't feel my nose. Like, it's cold. But I'm almost at the store, so get warm in a minute. My mom is super picky because, you know, we don't do the whole surprise with the shoes thing because she might not like it, even though we have similar tastes. But she doesn't like heels. So I'm in the basement of this little freaking shoe store. So my signal is so bad that we're like sending pictures. I'm waiting for her to respond and telling me whether or not she likes it. So I have to step out the store, check the phone, then go back in the store, because once I get back in the store I have no signal, take another picture of something else, and then have her decide whether or not she wants it or not. Then I'm tempted to just give her the money and she just come and buy her own shoe. But the money thing is not my... I prefer a gift, even though she knows exactly what she's getting because she's asking for it. But it's just the idea of giving somebody, a family member, money for as a gift. I'm not the biggest fan. I'd rather give them something, or even give them a gift card or something to an actual place than cash. I don't know. It's just me. But I'm tempted to just give her the money and tell her to come buy her own shoes because I can't. This is just too much. And I'm ready to go home. Yeah, ready to go home. But over here it's so pretty, guys. You see all this decoration behind me in Santa, you know? Them kids that believe in Santa. Oh, look at that. Look at the cutie. Look at Santa Claus. It's cute though. So yeah. Let's wait a few more minutes and see what she does, and then if not, I'm taking my ass back home. Bye. Hey guys, so I am finished. So she liked the one I picked, so I'm happy about that. But guys, I'm so proud of myself. I went into a shoe store and not buy one shoe for myself. Who am I? But couldn't resist. Sorry. Yeah, vlogging in the street. So, but I couldn't resist Sephora, guys. I didn't buy it. I only buy some lip masks because this winter my lips, yeah. So heading home. Hey guys, so I'm back home and I'm gonna get back to this. So just so anybody who's not familiar with the Count of Monte Cristo, it is a classic, written in the 1800 something, can't remember what year, but it's 18 something. Basically it's about a man who was wrongly accused of a crime for several reasons. They set him up, went into a jail, but not really went through due process. He was just thrown in, and there was a lot of fabrication, and he was there for many years. So while he was there, one of another prisoner there, things happened, and he was fortunate to get out. And when he got out, he became a wealthy man with a disguise and vengeance. So you get to see how he's gonna seek some revenge, but he's also a guy that, although he wants revenge, there's parts of him that's still good. There's parts of him that are still doing good things to people who did good things for him before he went to prison. So, you know, he's fighting the good and the bad part of him, but it's just some clever things going on in here, and I'm enjoying it. So I'm hoping this weekend, by Monday, I am done with this and I can give a full, you know, talk on how I really liked it and all the other classics that I read. So yeah, that's the goal. But yeah, thanks guys, thanks for coming on me. Hey guys, so thanks for coming along with me on my little bit of Christmas shopping, and I'm proud of myself. I stayed within my budget and didn't get that much, but some lip stuff. Yeah, I love my glasses. So thanks for watching guys, and have a good day.